Hey everyone, Mrs. Welsh here. Good to finally get a chance to come back on and speak to you. And I just wanted to touch base. Here it is, Thanksgiving time. We've had 13 weeks of class. You have 4 more to go. We have primarily been just looking at what you've been looking at YouTubes and answering the questions on the quizzes. I've had a variety of different responses. Some of you have been trying to keep up and really struggling to keep up. So I've been trying to help you get your work done. And some of you have been just on the ball and doing a great job. So congratulations to all of you. You've all done great. And I'm really happy when you reach out and you want to have a quiz reopened or you have some questions. That's really great. So here it is, fall. It's getting cold outside. We have had the opportunity to talk about cardiovascular health, your fitness and well-being, your stress management, your nutrition, the MyPlate, body composition, creating a wellness plan. We've had a lot of information just kind of thrown out there. Hopefully you've been able to digest some of it and implemented it into your world. And my goal is that you're going to walk away with some sort of knowledge or better knowledge of health and wellness and take away some good points and use in your life. So the Zoom or the, not Zoom, but the, watching YouTubes and doing this asynchronously has been really tough. And I'm happy to say I'll be back in the classroom next semester. I am on campus every day, but in a different role. So I'm always there if you need me. But I will be teaching in class. Unfortunately, I won't have any of you. You will have moved on and completed your health requirements. So what I'd like to have you do is I'm going to make it easy this week. After you finish viewing this video, I want you to take a look at this little short video. It's on hydration. It's about drinking water. I'm sure a lot of you will be spending this week reuniting with some people, going home, eating some good meals, maybe being off campus and eating differently. But once again, pay attention to how many calories you're consuming, how much exercise you're getting. Get out and do a little bit of activity if it tends to get sedentary. But you do need a break. So most importantly is remember, manage your stress, take a break, and relax. So hopefully you can put your books aside and enjoy yourself. So take a look at this hydration video. It's really interesting. Just when we thought we knew everything about drinking plenty of water, how to incorporate it into our lives, it does give a little bit more information about getting hydrated, staying hydrated, and it actually tells you some things that you should not do when drinking water. And I'd be curious to get a little bit of feedback if any of you want to put that out there. The other thing is that I wanted to tell you that I'll be sending your survey information. It's that time of year when we all like to know what you like, what you don't like, complete your student survey, let us know. Now, of course, we've been asynchronous, so we do the best we can. And hopefully, like I said, you extrapolate some information and use it in your life. But what I'll do is I will post the YouTube video now. And I hope you all have a great Thanksgiving. Take good care of yourselves. And I'll check in with you next week because we have 4 more weeks. And I'd like to get 4 more good weeks of health, nutrition, and exercise information to you. If any of you have any goals or any questions about the health and wellness, give me a shout out on your email, and I'd be happy to chat with you about it. So enjoy your week. Thanks, and like I said, happy Thanksgiving.